Hello guys and gals, Buffalo here. Now, that last ceramic tile video we did, I got a lot of requests in that video. And the 357 Magnum from a rifle was by far the most requested. So that's what we're going to do here today. I've got the Rossi 92 out, thanks to my good friend Jason. I've got a video of this rifle up. It's a couple, maybe 3 years old now, but do have that video posted if you want to go take a look at it. But it has a 24-inch barrel, and the ammo I chose was the hardest hitting ammo that I could find. It's buffalo bore 180 grain, which is heavy for a 357 Magnum. It's a hard cast bullet, and it's rated at 1400 feet per second, but it's loaded for handguns. Out of this rifle, we're getting over 1850 feet per second out of it, which is pretty dang fast for a 357 Magnum with a bullet that heavy. So let's not waste time. Let's jump right in here and see how many tile we can bust. $1,853 feet per second. All right, let's do this. Now, judging from the previous videos that we've done shooting this ceramic tile, and we've done quite a few videos, as you'll see when I show the graph at the end. If you're new to the channel, we've been doing this for a while. I've only got a couple of more calibers that we're going to shoot into the tile. Then we're going to move along to something else. We've had a lot of fun with it. So, judging from the previous calibers and bullets we've shot, I'm going to go with about 6 tile. That's my guess. Let's rock and roll. Got here 4, 5, 6. I guessed it. Getting better at guessing these because we've done it so much. It's kind of becoming predictable. Again, that's why I say I've only got a couple of more guns. I want to keep those a surprise for you guys that I want to shoot into the tile. But got 6 of them, just like we figured, or just like I figured. See if we can find any bullet fragments. First one got that nice round hole right in the middle. Of course, then the bullet starts to disintegrate. This stuff is just really hard. That bullet starts to disintegrate and bust after it gets that first hole punched. Sometimes we find pieces of bullet in this stuff, and sometimes it just busts them up so fine that we can't find anything. There's some little small pieces of lead there. I probably can't even see that. It just disintegrates those cast bullets, those hard cast bullets. All right, I'm going to clean this mess up and see if I can find any more fragments, and then we'll get right back with you guys. All right, guys, so after closer inspection, all I found was some really small bullet fragments, this being one of the larger ones. So, busted the bullet up fairly quickly. Performed about like I thought it would. Really hard hitting. 357 Magnum round be a great hunting round. that 180 grain buffalo bore. Like Jeff Quinn says over there on Gun Blast, buffalo bore don't cheat you on powder. That brings us to the close of yet another video. Appreciate you guys watching. As usual, my links to my other social media accounts are linked in the description below this video. I'm going to give a little end of video shout out to my friends over at the Schomer Show today. They did a really good video a couple of weeks ago, kind of captured the essence of the Buffalo's Outdoors channel all in one video. Even stole my intro line. Man, I got a kick out of that. I watched that video 3 or 4 times. But that's all I got today, and I'll talk with you all again soon.